everyone, I am back with another jewelry haul. I have not opened it yet. We're still sealed. Let's see what's inside. Okay, just cutting into it now. This is the thing about doing it on cam, because like, what if I can't get the box open? Okay, I did it. Got that part open. Alright, lots of random packing paper here. Take this side away. We got a bag wrapped up in paper in a little small flat rate priority box, which probably made sense. There are some really cool pieces. This one I can't wait to see. I think I'm keeping that. I already think I know I'm keeping that. Look at how much that bag of paper, much of a mess it created already. All right, that's garbage. Wait, nope, we have something in there. Okay, let's go through it. One piece at a time. Let's shove everything over. So far we have an apple pendant. It's all open and cool. I kind of like it. I don't know that I've ever liked apples that much, but this is kind of cute. Thrive. Like a lotus type flower there. Like a bronze tone metal. That's kind of cool. I like it. This is a family photo frame thing here. Kind of a copper tone. I like this. It's like a little like goddess charm. This is very lightweight, like aluminum almost. I don't know that that's a stone in there. It's made to look like one for sure. It just might not be anything. This is a shark tooth in a resin. Kind of cool. Okay. Next, here's something somebody made with glass beads and a little sterling clasp. Just grabbed randomly from this pile. Here's a cute little pendant, like a little layered pendant. This is sort of an abalone, I guess. Yeah, an abalone with like a bronze tone piece layered over it. What is this? Oh, this is nice. I sold one kind of recently, a zodiac pendant like this. This is an Aries. Aries on this side, but then it shows all the signs of the zodiac on this side. Kind of cool. I like that. I always come across Aries things, rams and such. Little star. There's another star, silver tone with blue sort of rhinestones, fake rhinestones. This kind of has a sterling quality to it. Interesting. It probably isn't, but I'm gonna test that. I feel like that's football, Patriots, right? Okay, a little frame, empty frame. This one looks older. Roman numeral clock. What can I do with this? And while I'm looking through this pile, I'm always looking for fun things, for giveaways on Whatnot. I needed to do this jewelry haul today so I could show some new pieces tonight in my live show. This is glass. It's like, needs a cleaning for sure. I like the glass though. Here's the piece that I have been waiting to look at. Oh, and it's Libra. If you're a Libra and want this big piece, find me on Whatnot. Or you know what? find me on Etsy. Either works, but if you want to see pieces live, come to my Whatnot shows. Another tree. I love trees. This has a big weird bale that I'm taking off for sure. Definitely gonna lose that bale, if you know what I mean. Here's another family photo frame. I didn't mean to throw it there. This is a little swirly silver tone pendant with some extra chain. Definitely not sterling. This is a fun one with that type of bale that's good for cord. This faux turquoise piece is pretty cool. If you want anything too, I can always make custom listings for you on Etsy. Etsy is preferred if you just want to do a normal sale. Otherwise, you can always see things live. I used to be live on Whatnot like every day. Now it's a little less often than that. This is for a crystal. This is like a spiral cage, so you can put a crystal inside. This is a pretty big sized one, so you can get a nice chunk in there. Here's another little bauble that somebody made with wire and glass beads. I do like that bead in there. Maybe I'll be harvesting from that. Little palm tree. This piece is kind of cool. What can we dangle in the middle there? Gryffindor. This is really cool. Love finding Harry Potter stuff, but it would have been way cooler if it were Ravenclaw. Dude. Cape Cod dude. Okay. Dude, go to Cape Cod and get yourself this keychain, I guess. Here's a key that somebody tried to wire wrap and maybe didn't like their result. This looks a little unfinished anyway. I'll probably take all the wire off of this and use this key for something else. Here's a nice big stone. Not sure what kind of stone. It looks like stones I have, actually. I like the ornate bale on it. I like this one. Here's some carved. Is it bone? Is it celluloid? Let me look closer. Yep, this very well could be bone. Really nice carved piece. There's some little color in there. Best. There it is. Best. Needs a cleaning. This piece is dirty. But it's like a best friend thing. Here's a little spirally bit. Don't know what to do with that. Might add it to a lot. Love this little planet here. It's a cute charm. Oh, what can we do with this? This is an older filigree-like piece. It's kind of like a stamping. It's very lightweight. There's something on there that we need to remove, but the look of that I do like. It is kind of like a snowflake in a way. What's this? Lucky? It looks like a guitar pick. It says Lucky on the other side too. Interesting piece. What is this? This is a necklace. Little, what looks like wood beads. Gold tone chain. Now, will I be going and removing every single one of these little wood bead baubles and keeping the chain? Yeah, probably. Vintage chain like this is really nice. Yeah, I'll be removing every single one of these just for that chain. And I will be doing something fun with that. Oh, look, another Aries. It says Aries on both sides here. It seems like pewter. It is rather heavy. It's a pretty cool piece. So What is this piece? This is a fake resiny acrylic crystal point looking piece. If you need a pendulum on the go, little travel pendulum, this might be okay. It is a little lightweight though. Look at this piece. Seen this before. Definitely seen this before. Would you wear this around your neck? Short, on a short chain, or maybe a long chain? What would be better? It is very pokey though, you could get stabbed. Here's another glass bead bauble that somebody made. Look at this piece. Okay, this is kind of fun. Seems like something from, like, I don't know, Chico's or something like that. Now look, it has an enhancer bail. This one doesn't click into place or snap into place. It has a magnet. So you can drape this over, you know, a bigger beaded type piece or whatever you want. That's kind of cool looking. Here's something. This looks pewter too. 1980s Spring Hill Nurseries. Okay. Is it like an Easter pendant? Mermaid Kisses, Starfish Wishes. I don't really know what that means or why we would write it on a pendant, but sure. This is a pretty ornate fleur-de-lis. It's gold tone with white enamel. I don't hate this, except I do currently have a fleur-de-lis pendant that no one seems to want, even though it's quite pretty. Do I need to make a fleur-de-lis lot? I should start putting these pieces on Etsy for sure. Oh, we have 2 of these now. Expect some earrings coming. Definitely going to be earrings. What kind of stone should we put on top? What kind of crystal would go well with these little star planets? And this has great sparkle to it. It's probably a newer piece, but oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, there's a bail up there. Is this marked anywhere? I don't see any markings. This silver is quite shiny. It's not sterling, but the crystals. I'm seeing rainbows in the crystals too, so it's probably real crystal. That's a lovely little piece. Oh, look at this little sort of pocket watch locket. Similar to the origami owl locket that we saw in my last haul. Look at all the little fun baubles in here. This will be a fun little thing. Maybe as a giveaway even? I don't know. That's kind of cool. Let's put that there to look at. Another fleur-de-lis on a chain, but wait, what's this? Let's see if it has a smell. Yeah, okay, it's a little perfumey. Don't care for jewelry that has perfume in it. And I don't care for people that kept their perfume items in their jewelry box. And when you buy a jewelry box with like a bunch of jewelry that smells like old perfume, don't care for that. But this is really cool. Little like spell bottle. Poison bottle. You know, like a poison ring. This is very cool. I don't see any marks on it. I don't know if this was put out by like Avon or something. Could be. Here's another one of these. So we could be doing earrings with these too. Some people like large. Here we go. Those could be earrings. Some people like large earrings. Oh, we found a 3rd planet. Okay. Here's one of those pendants for charms. So you can go like that and add and remove charms for your little charm collection. Number 1 grandma. I just gave away a pendant that said number 1 daughter. This is interesting, like an unfinished situation here. This is acrylic. This is not glass or crystal. What can we do with this? I don't hate it. I like that. We're gonna do something with this. We're gonna remove all that though, for sure. But it's pretty cool looking, right? I'm waiting to show you the piece that I'm keeping last. This is very cool. I like this sort of hammered, puckered gold tone. Some rhinestones. Here's what the back looks like. I kind of like that. This is resin art for sure. So I see a swan and then some beads. Some like bugle beads and random seed beads in there. Okay, no, that's clear. Interesting. Interesting resin art there. And here's a little faux pearl and maybe rhinestones. Oh, there's no rhinestones in there. Cute little pendant. It's not in the best shape. It is not real. Oh, you know, look, there's a bead hole at the bottom. So I don't know. We can put that in a craft lot probably. And the last but not least piece was the piece that I was looking at through the bag. Definitely not a real natural material. It's not bone. It's not horn. It's not wood. It's not glass. It's not stone. It is plasticky, but it's pretty cool. I'll make a piece out of this, but I might not be keeping it anymore if it's not a natural material. And that's it. That is the haul. Look at. Here is everything we just went through. If there's anything that you see that you would like, find me on Etsy. All my links will be in the description. I can make a personal listing for you. I do have my custom request button active on my Etsy page. If you want custom jewelry, or if you just want to throw some ideas at me, you can message me. Up to you. Also find me live on Whatnot. You can find my Whatnot page in my links. From there you can see what shows I have scheduled. Bookmark it and join me live. See you next time with another haul. Here's a little sneak preview of the sterling. Couple rings, but there's more. There's always more. See you next time.